Perhaps grotesque as it sounds, it's really important for surgeons to train in trauma areas because you learn so much about how to fix the human body when the human body is getting shot and stabbed every day. A place like Hopkins, I think at the time I was there, it averaged 16 penetrating traumas a day.
Wow.
I'm on call every third night for trauma. Think about how many stab wounds and gunshot wounds you're taking care of. This is how you learn to have ice in your veins. You're unemotional about it. It's like, what's coming in? What do we need to do? How do we stabilize this patient? Can we fix him? Let's go.